All right, this is my Hoover Convertible model U4363-045 that was handed down to me by my great aunt a couple of years ago. Now, before we get to the demo, I wanted to address something that I've been meaning to address for a couple of years. Some fans on my Instagram and YouTube channel asked me to get some carpeting in here, so I figured I'd oblige. That was underwhelming, but I think you get the idea. Okay, so you got some dirt down on the rug now. Let's clean it up. There you go. Kind of smells a bit like burning rubber now. Maybe I should check in on that. But anyways, hope you enjoyed.